Hello dear students, welcome to Assam Board Academy. আজি to SSLC 2024 ত অহা ইংলিছৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো আলোচনা কৰিম। চোৱা ইয়াত MCQ 45 কুৱেশ্যন আছে, এইকেইটা আলোচনা কৰিম। গতিকে আহক আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1 to চোৱা। Read the following statement with reference to a letter to God and choose the correct option. Statement 1. The house in which Lenzo was living was in the middle of a populous town. Statement 2. Lenzo was a good farmer. Yath option B to correct. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is correct. True. Yath question number 2. I hope it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. Yath option C to the hailstorm. Question number 3. What was Lenzo's immediate response when he received the letter from God? Yath option B to correct. He was not surprised but very angry. Question number 4. On the lovely Assam day, I was accompanied by my dash Jinani. Option D correct. Daughter. Yath about daughter Jinani. Question number 5. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems. What was the occasion when two national anthems were being played? Option A correct. It was the swearing in ceremony of Nelson Mandela. Question number 6. Read the following statements with reference to Nelson Mandela long walk to freedom. S chose the correct option. Yath statement 1. On the day of the inauguration, Nelson Mandela was overwhelmed with a sense of history. Statement 2. Nelson Mandela learned that courage is not an absence of fear but triumph over it. Yath option D to both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Duotai Huddho. Question number 7. During September, the March to March, it is the season of dash is Coorg. Option C is correct. Joy. The khaltai thabo joy. Question number 8. With reference to Coorg, choose the correct option for the given sentence. The theory of Arab origin in relation to the people of Coorg is based on the option A is correct. Clothes they wear. Question number 9. Read the following statements with reference to Coorg and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Whoever visits Coorg is fascinated by the adventurous activities that are carried out. Statement 2. The people are hostile and cowardly in Coorg. Here option A is correct. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Question number 10. Pranjal buried his nose in his detective book again. What does the underlined part mean? Underlined part mean option A is correct. To because deeply engrossed in something. Question number 11. Read the following sentences with reference to tea from Assam and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Buddha Dharma was a lazy monk who loved to sleep. Statement 2. The legend of Buddha Dharma originated in China. Here option D is correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Statement 1 or statement 2 duotai ahuddho. Question number 12. The second flash or sprouting period is important as it. Option B is correct. Yields the best tea. Question number 13. Read the following statements with reference to Madam rides the bus and shows the correct option. Statement 1. Falli laughed standing at the front door. Statement 2. Her playmates were of her age. Here option A होतो उत्तर. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Question number 14. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanted. What was the planning about? Yat option B to होतो उत्तर. It was about a bus ride. Question number 15. He talks in his vivid strips. Shows the word which is same as the underlined word. Underlined or eke ortho. Here option A is correct, bright. Question number 16. In the poem Amanda, the mother asks her daughter not to, option C is correct, bite her nails. Question number 17. In the poem Animals, Walt Whitman writes that animals do not discuss their duty to, option C is correct, goat. Question number 18. In the ball poem, the boy sends his first responsibility in a word of, option D is correct, possessions. Question number 19. Why does the speaker in the ball poem say that he would not intrude on the boy? Option A is correct, because he knows that another ball is worthless. Question number 20. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. Hint, the ball poem. What is the opposite word of underlined word? Underlined word or opposite word to key? Option D is correct, cheerful. Question number 21. From your reading of the tale of Custer the dragon shows the correct option. Option D is correct, kitten, black, mouse, grey. Question number 22. Read the following statements with reference to footprints without feet and chose the correct option. Statement 1. Griffin chose a bad time to be in London. Statement 2. It was bad time because all stops in London were closed. Here option A is correct, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Or दिया से. Yes, so read the following statements with reference to the hack driver and shows the correct option. Statement 1. Oliver Lakins was wanted to serve as a witness. Statement 2 दिया से he was an expert in giving witness in law cases. Here option D is correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Question number 23. Griffin, the scientist, had carried out experiment after experiment. What experiment is being referred to here? Here option B is correct. How to become invisible. Or Oliver Lakins loved at the young lawyer because B is correct. Lakins understood that the young lawyer did not understand his trick. Question number 24. Shortly afterwards, a scariest episode occurred. Shows the word which means the same as the underlined word. Here A is correct, strange. Question number or the as we climbed back to the hack, Bill concluded the scene. Lakins had exhausted his credit a get stuff. Choose the option for the underlined word. Here A is correct. Kept unused. Question number 25. Read the following statements with reference to a question of trust and shows the correct option. Statement 1. Harek then by loved to read books. Statement 2. Book lovers can be cheated easily by beautiful women. Here statement option A is correct. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Or read the following statements with reference to the midnight visitor and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Physical appearance has nothing to do with the profession of a detective. Statement 2. All detectives must know how to speak French. Here option A is correct. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Question number 26. 15 years ago, Harek Denbai had been put to the prison because he robbed a safe. Or Max wanted to report back from ASSEB. It was a report concerning correct missiles. Question number 27. Horek gets angry when anyone discusses honor among option B is correct thieves. Yes, so or the first event of the day that thrilled Fowler was. Yat option B হতো উত্তর the appearance of a man with a small automatic pistol. Question number 28. Read the two statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1 দিয়ে আছে we have to be careful and alert. Statement 2 is that so but why. ইয়াত option B টো হতো উত্তর statement 1 is assertive and statement 2 is interrogative. Question number 29. Do you have any money? What is the underlined word known as? Yat option D to হতো উত্তর quantifier. Question number 30. I signed my name where father told me to do. Identify the type of adverb clause represented by the underlined part. Yat soa option A to হতো উত্তর adverb clause of place. Question number 31. Identify the correct sentence. Yat option D to হতো উত্তর this hotel offers food and lodging. Question number 32. I want to be free. Choose the sentence that replaced the underlined part in the correct form. Option B to হতো উত্তর I want freedom. Question number 33. The train will stop dash many stations. Choose the correct preposition. Yat option C to হতো উত্তর at many stations. Question number 34. We should speak the truth. The underlined model is used to imply. Yat question hobo D to option D to হতো উত্তর duty. Question number 35. He was writing a letter. He was writing a letter. Shows the correct passive voice from the given sentence. Yat option A to হতো উত্তর a letter was being written by him. Question number 36. Let the door be closed. Choose the correct active voice form for the given sentence. Yat option B হতো উত্তর close the door. ইয়াত B to নহয়, ইয়াত D to হতো উত্তর হবো close the door. Question number 37. Raju used to earn by dash. choose the correct option to make it a meaningful sentence. ইয়াত option D to হতো তোর in and out. Question number 38. In her imaginary world, Amanda plays the role of option C to হতো তোর a mermaid and an orphan. Question number 39. In the poem Animals, the speaker wonders where the animal got the dash from. Option B is correct. Tokens. ইয়াত চোৱা question number 40 আৰু 41 to তলত প্যাৰাগ্ৰাফ দিয়া আছে comprehension এটো পঢ়ি ইয়াত উত্তৰ কৰিব লাগিব গতিকে চোৱা question 40 to কি দিয়া আছে with reference to the given pages shows the word having the same meaning as the word stifled. ইয়াত দিয়া আছে ইয়াত same meaning কি হ'ব option C to উত্তৰ suppressed. Question number 41 to দিয়া আছে according to the narrator of the given pages it was a difficult day on the day of the village fair for the girl because option D to উত্তৰ the girl had to resist her temptation to ride the merry-go-round despite having the money to spend. ইয়াত চোৱা question number 42 পৰা 45 লৈকে গ্ৰাফ দিয়া আছে ইয়াত প্যাৰাগ্ৰাফ দিয়া আছে প্যাৰাগ্ৰাফ পঢ়ি আমি এনসার কৰিব লাগিব গতিকে প্যাৰাগ্ৰাফটো তোমালোকে চাই লবা পঢ়ি লবা ইয়াত কোৱেশ্চনটো চোৱা 42 কি কৈছে the experience of refugee children from Afghanistan vary widely according to individual. ইয়াত question B to উত্তৰ impairment and available accommodation. Question number 43. From the given bar diagram arrange the given types of disability in the ascending order. ইয়াত option A to উত্তৰ self care cognitive ইয়াৰ depression walking এটা উত্তৰ Question number 44. So read the following statement based on the given pages and shows the correct option. Statement 1 there say access to education is difficult for children with disabilities. Statement 2 children with disabilities from low and middle income countries suffer more. Yat option A to উত্তৰ statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. এবার হেকরটো প্রশ্ন চোৱা the last question 45 in the 2011 survey it was found that children with difficulty in seeing were most likely to have access to dash here option C to correct education. So I hope বুজি পাইছা so এনেকুৱা ইংলিশৰ নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনটো আমি সলভ কৰিম গতিকে ভাল লাগিলে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব লাইক কৰিব আৰু বন্ধুবৰ্গলৈ শেয়াৰ কৰি দিব যাতে ভালদৰে